guys, today we're going to be drawing Grogu. I'm very excited to meet you guys. Bye, Dean.
Thanks, Dean. Welcome to Artfully You. Today we're going to be drawing Baby Yoda, otherwise known as Grogu from The Mandalorian. I hope you enjoy it. This is just a speed drawing, but please feel free to pause the video so that you can catch up. Remember that I do art lessons every Tuesday and Thursday on Zoom, so please be sure to sign up with artfullyu.ca. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Share your interpretation of this drawing and hashtag us #ArtfullyYou or julie.artfullyu, and look out for many more on our YouTube channel, Artfully You. Take care.